Hi everyone, my name is Masood. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will share how to draw a realistic eyebrow and also discuss some common mistakes people actually done when they draw the realistic eyebrow. The first mistake some people make is creating a dark outline for their eyebrow drawing. This dark outline does not give a natural look because when we look around at real eyebrow, we won't see any dark outline. Outline is for just helping us to shape the eyebrow. Second mistake is that when people draw the eyebrow, they draw all the hairs in one direction. But when we look at the real eyebrows, we will see that the hairs does not go all in one direction. They go in different directions and sometimes overlapping each other. The third mistake people make when drawing eyebrow is blending too much. When they blend too much, the individual hairs are not visible. When we look at real eyebrow, we can see the skin is not hidden under the eyebrow. Let's come to the drawing. Before you start drawing, take a close look at your own eyebrow and notice the direction of hair growth. We should apply more pressure at the beginning because the roots of the hair is thicker than the end of the hair, so we should apply more pressure initially. And also the hair growth is not in a single direction, they grows in a various direction and just overlapping each other. When we look at eyebrows, the hair at the beginning grows upwards, in the middle it grows sideways, and at the end it grows downwards. So now we will darken it using with the softer pencil. Since a soft pencil produces a lot of graphite, we should use it gently, ensuring we darken each individual eyebrow hair. That's all for today's videos. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for your support and love. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because many new videos are coming soon. Bye.